Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long minute since I sat down with you guys and actually did a YouTube video, but today we got a very special video just because it's my first dub of the year, my first retail pickup, my first shoe pickup as well that I got out of 2021 so far. I actually got these off of Undefeated off the raffle. I just for most shoes, but I usually never hit. The last time I actually hit on a shoe for retail was probably last year. Beginning of last year was going to be the Nike Off-White Dunks, the UNLV colorways, actually at the Off-White store. So to get this shoe and actually get it for retail is pretty cool. To me, in my opinion, I like these shoes. I like the style. To actually get some shoes and actually get a dub is always good, and I wanted to share that with you. I know these dropped around like February 27th. Don't quote me on that, but I got these in actually a week ago, and I just finally got the time to make the video. I know there's not that many videos on it. All right, guys, as you can see, the first thing that catches my eye when you get the actual shoes, first thing that catches my mind is going to be the box for the Nike Blazer READYMADE collaboration. This box is pretty sick. I still enjoy when brands or even collaborations do something with the box, just because value to your shoe, and I think it's just super dope, and it just adds another element to the collaboration. It looks like kind of like a beat up kind of box. It looks kind of faded, a little bit like it's been worn and torn. That's kind of like the style of it. You have the READYMADE right here, which is nice. I like that. And then you got like a little bit graffiti art on the box as well. And then you have your standard Nike logos all over. And then there's something else on the box that says notice, no public use. I think that's pretty dope. I've never seen something like that. That's pretty cool. I did get these in the size 9.5. The last time I had a blazer was the Nike Off-White, the original 10 blazer. That one I took size 10, my true to size, and it was a little bit big. So I was thinking like maybe 9.5 would be my size, just sizing down just like I do in Air Forces. So we'll just get into the box right now. You go open it up. The paper, I don't know if this is like landfill or garbage, but I think it looks pretty cool. It goes with the whole theme of the box, so I thought that was pretty sick. The shoe itself is pretty dope. I actually got this one in the white colorway. White colorway. White colorway. It does come with orange laces if you want to change the laces, but in my opinion, I feel like how it is and how it came, it looks pretty dope because the lacing system is pretty unique. But the shoes are right here. So when you first get the shoes in hand, it looks pretty crazy in my opinion, but I think it's super awesome. It gives you kind of like that designer, deconstructed look, that off-white kind of look. I know it's READYMADE is not off-white, but READYMADE does a lot of deconstruction, but also keeps the elements of the shoe and the silhouette. But I got the white colorway. I won't go in depth about the details. I just wanted to show you guys my reaction, my first impressions of getting the shoe. It's a really dope shoe. The lacing system's a little bit different, unique. It stands out. If you guys are into blazers, I highly recommend getting these just because they're not really doing a lot of different things with blazers. They're just changing the colorways so they get a deconstructed look, and a collaboration with a high-end designer like READYMADE is something that you guys should really invest in. So if you guys are into blazers right now, I highly suggest getting these shoes. I like them, and if I wasn't focused on different things and I wasn't trying to get other shoes, I would definitely keep these. I'm probably going to hold on to these for a while. If you guys are interested, I might put these on lasvegasselect so you guys can cop them, but I might hold on to these, probably sell them later so the value can go up. Not a lot of people are talking about these shoes, but I think these are a really good cop. I would keep them, like I said, if I didn't have other priorities. But they're not going for too much right now. I believe they're going for like maybe like 300, 400 on StockX or Go. But yeah, you guys should definitely check these shoes out. I'm working on a lot of things for my second collection. If you guys want to stay tuned to that, make sure you follow me on all my social media handles. And also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and check me out. I have a different variety of different content for this channel, and I'm going to be really investing into my photography and videography and filmmaking skills this year, so I'm going to be looking to upgrade the setup. Once again, I've been doing YouTube for a year now. So if you've been rocking with me for this long, I appreciate you. I love you with all my heart, like no lie, because there's a lot of times I just wanted to quit. I'm back on the scene. Make sure you guys go check out this shoe and leave in the comments if you guys like this shoe at all in this pickup. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.